Everyone, good afternoon and welcome to another video, and keep watching this video until end. Now I have came in our land. You who can see around me, green side, okay, and you can see backside me a small pond. It is our small pond, and also you can see a stone, fish of a stone in the pond, okay. And I am recording video. Also I am practicing, and I am explaining something about myself, about me, okay. About me, and you can see around me, and tree, although tree, that's all these trees. And today is sky is weathering, and extremely uh, thunder, and okay. And you can see sky is weathering, maybe rain at night. And you can hear the sound of frog in our land, okay. And okay, and I had working, you know that a fruit paddy plant from the land, okay. And sometime I have come out of the land for record video. And now I am going to land again, okay. You can see around me now that green site, guys, okay. And every people or every a farmer like to walk. uh, Also I am belong to in a farmer family, okay. So I like to walk sometime with my family, with my parents, with my brother, okay. Now I am standing in the middle in our land, you can see, okay.